Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So, hope it's recording. Yeah. So, if you guys see, market gave a very good rally on the upside today. We had an we were about to enter at 21,450 and above, but unfortunately, market did not give us any opportunity. It went up straight. And what happened after this resistance got breached? I entered exactly at 21,602 and my stop loss was 50 point of stop loss. 10:45 I entered and I stayed back. Okay, and then market kept rallying up exactly at 1:3 I exited. I think I exited here. 1:3 I exited it. Yeah, here I exited, and then because the reason behind me exiting here was this resistance, and there are many resistance on top. Okay, that was the only reason. Okay, see, if you see, next resistance is here at 21,985, and after that we have one more resistance here at 21,000 22,125. So these are all the resistance which should be noted now. So if market continues, this is the kind of pattern I'm expecting it to do. So it might find support in all these places and then only travel up. Okay, so but there is a probability that it can be volatile here, then it can start going up, then it can give a breakout on the all-time high. Okay, but let's wait for it. So tomorrow my action will be, if market crosses anywhere about 21,765 and above, I will be looking forward to buy, but I'm only buying a small quantity. I don't want to go fully aggressive until unless many of the resistance are passed. Okay, so I'm not looking forward to short anything as of now, but tomorrow we can expect a small profit booking and then going up. Okay, next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I did not get any trades today, but for tomorrow, if it crosses around 45,660 and above, and if it's bullish, I'll be looking forward to buy it. So my first target will be around 46,215, and then we will trail the stop loss as much as possible. Okay, next is US oil. US oil, if you guys see, we've been holding this trade from I think Thursday, and still I'm holding this trade, which is a positional trade as I've already discussed. We are on an up move now. So basically what happens is, if commodities start going in a trend, it'll go in a trend for a long time, even for months or days. As you guys can see, I will give you a small example here. This was a downtrend, okay, and this downtrend continued. We can take it from this swing, and the downtrend continued for almost around 65 days. Okay, 65 days, and it gave a pip of what 1928. Okay, and now it started going up. We can keep it from here. It's just 11 days and it's up. So we can definitely look forward for a very good trend. Yeah, but many people would have shorted it here. So it's person to person how they trade. They would have shorted it from here. This for almost 70 days. But we have entered here. Let's see how far it goes. We are still trailing our stop losses. I'll be adding more position only post now $79 and $79 and above only. I'll be adding more position. So this is a trend line. I'm expecting it to break and go up. Okay, next is gold. Gold has already given a breakout and it did take my stop loss. Again, it's giving a breakout. I've entered here. My stop loss is exactly under this trend line. Okay, so if it breaches this trend line, there's a possibility it can go down. So I've entered here at 2030 and my stop loss at 2025. Okay, we have 4 stocks for swing trading. I'm sorry. So this is Precision Wires. Precision Wire has given a breakout on a daily time frame after 119 days, that is 120 days, and it is survived here. So tomorrow if I get a price of 146 to 152, I will be definitely buying it, or if it breaches above also I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 138. Okay, next is Indian Nippon Electrics. Nippon Electrics, we have already given a call here at 400 something. Now it's at 727. So tomorrow if it sustains 1 or 2 candles here from 725 to 770, anywhere if I get a price I'll be buying it. My stop loss will be at 667. Okay, next one is Glenmark Life Science. It broke its all-time high and it has survived it. So now I'm looking forward for a small red candle. If I get a small red candle, I will enter, and my stop loss will be a very small stop loss. It is here somewhere, if depending on the candle, but keep this in your watch list. Okay, next one's Westball Energy, no, Websol Energy. Okay, whatever, Websol Energy Systems. So this was a very flat chart for a very long time, almost for 4,929 days. That is from 2010 to 2023. It was on the same spot. It just moved little and came back to the same spot. Okay, now it has given a breakout. So this is a place where so many buying selling has happened. So if it breaks above 365 rupees, I'll be looking forward to buy it. My target on swing trading is only based on my trading stop losses. Okay, so I hope you guys got something to learn in this video. So if you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. So please keep sharing the video as much as possible, and show to people who are interested in trading. Keep supporting. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.